Howdy, and welcome. As you can see, this dashboard just won't do. We're going to be replacing it on the cheap today. So, here's the dashboard I pulled at my local pick and pull. It was pretty dirty, but in much better condition than what was currently in the truck. You'll notice that on my channel I really enjoy using sim products due to the ease of application and durability. Like any good project, it's all about the prep. However, it's nice when you have a solid product to stand behind. Check out the description for more details. This little garment steamer is perfect for loosening up caked on crud from over the years. The moisture is also a bonus for the vinyl. You can get one at Walmart for about 13 bucks, I believe. And here's a pro tip. You can also use this little steamer to remove window tint from your car. They're very handy. Now you can go ahead and wipe the grimy water away from the dashboard. It's time to apply the sim soap now. I personally like to add the soap to the brush kind of like toothpaste, and then work on a small area at a time. Add more and then repeat. After about 5 minutes, you can see that the sim soap really went to town on the dirt and grime built up on the old dashboard. Once you rinse off the sim soap with warm water, you'll go ahead and wipe it down with a dry rag. It's important to get the dash nice and dry at this point. Alright, so this step is very easy but wildly important. The Sim Vinyl Prep Spray is actually what opens the pores on the vinyl to accept the color coat. This is where a lot of people fail when doing interior parts. They don't do this step and the color ends up flaking off a year down the road because it never actually bonded to the vinyl properly. Those microscopic pores act like anchor points. The more open they are, the stronger the bond is going to be. We're going for a permanent fix here. Don't let this Sim Vinyl Prep sit too long on the dash. Take some warm water and dampen a small cloth, and wipe in a singular direction until the Sim Vinyl Prep is removed. Leave to dry thoroughly. I always recommend working in a well-ventilated area with proper respiratory protection. You can find a NIOSH approved mask at Home Depot for under 40 bucks. Better be safe than sorry. Now for the fun stuff. I always spray a test area before to make sure that the coating is coming out properly. For the first coat, I lay down a thin layer of Sim Landau black, then work my way around the dashboard. I do one more pass and call it good. I let it flash dry for about 7 minutes before moving on to the second coat. Be sure to shake the can every minute or so when spraying. On to the second coat. I usually apply a medium wet coat of Landau black to really lock in the color since I'll be using a satin black for the top coat. Don't be alarmed if your dash looks uneven in sheen at this point. It's a good thing. That means the vinyl prep spray did its job. The coating is absorbing into the vinyl still. And finally, we're at the last part, the top coat. I lightly apply 1 to 2 coats of satin black to get the desired sheen. After having done this for quite some time, I found that perfect black for interiors is a bit of a trial and error. It either looks really wet, like someone sprayed too much Armor All on the dash, or it looks too flat and almost gray. I found that 2 to 3 coats of Sim Landau black and 1 to 2 top coats of Sim satin black make for a very nice universal black. It looks really clean, but it's not too shiny. And there you have it, one clean dashboard ready to install. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.